Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to CROWNRICKAUTO. So I bought another old police car. I'm about to go search it right now, see what kind of goodies I can find in there. All right, here she is, a 2004 Ford Crown Victoria police interceptor. I'm gonna search it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. I'm gonna try to figure out what department this came from because they went the extra mile to try to grind out the logo. Yeah, they really didn't want me to know where this came from. And check it out, there's a tow thingy. Who needs a truck when you got a Crown Vic? Holy smokes, it is full of goodies. So that's all I really care about. Okay, let's begin our search. Okay, let's take a quick look inside. Looks like there is a lot of goodies here. I am super juiced. Is that a push bar back there? It sure is. Man, there's been so much drama here at the shop. It's crazy. I'll tell you guys more about it in a bit. But this looks like a teeth puller. Just kidding, I don't know. It's just some pliers, but there's a little teeth thing on there. Safariland spit net. I wonder if this will protect me from the Rona. Scissor thingy majiggy. Oh, it looks like somebody got zapped. Yeah, these are plastic cuffs. Quite a bit of ammo here. Genie, maybe a garage door opener of some sort. A morphine tester. Nothing but a bunch of junk under here. Look at all this wiring. And this is a magnetic antenna. I'm gonna have to clip some of this off. All right, so looks like we have a Kenwood radio here with the mic. I don't see the name brand on this thing. Have to unplug that real quick. All right, so we got a Wheelin. There's no name brand on this either. I think it may be time for mystery boxes again. All right, looks like there's a Unity spotlight. Oh, but this is a little scratch, but I bet you I could restore that. I hope it works. Oh yeah, here goes oh, this is a different one. This is a Wheelin. Hell yeah. Bag with a bunch of change and bolts. Sweet. I gotta test these out. And yeah, this is amber. Let's check the other one. And the other one is blue. I was definitely not expecting those colors. I like this center console right here. All right, let's take a look on the other side. So we got some belt keepers. Oh, another bullets. I forgot what the blue ones mean. Disposable syringe. Smith & Wesson handcuff keys. Oh, this is a radar. Yup, custom signals. It's a radar detector thingy. A movie car has one like that. Bunch of change and another. Jeez, more bullets. Holy smokes. And there's a danger peligro. So, oh, there's so much drama here at this shop. Oh, you guys just missed it. I'll explain in just a second. But anyways, I was thinking about cutting this wire right here, but I'm scared. Last time I did that, the brake lights wouldn't work and the horn wasn't working. I don't want to go through all of that. Oh great, not again. Oh my goodness, there's been so many lights in this thing. What are these? I gotta test these. Now what color do you think this is? Ooh, nice. Ooh, look at that. It's like Christmas.
Shitty Christmas.
It's a you're going to jail type of Christmas. All right, guys, I gotta tell you a little bit about this drama that's been going down here at the shop. It's freaking crazy. I usually don't talk about my drama or anything like that, but this is pretty entertaining. So a couple days ago, I sold this car to this sketchy looking guy, and today he called me and said, hey, can I bring the car back? My girlfriend doesn't like it. And I'm like, fine. I sold it to him for super cheap anyways. I could sell it for a lot more. So he shows up with no car and a sob story how police took his car away for no reason whatsoever, blah blah blah. And I'm like, no car, no money. So then he's like, come on, man, I need the money to get the car. That way, you know, you get the car, I get the money. I'm like, I'm not going to just give you the money and you're going to take off. And no, the car's already in his name. Like, I'm not that stupid. So I'm like, hey, check it out. I'll go with you. And, you know, I'm going to go ahead and just waste my whole day, whatever, and help you get the car out. You know, I'll pay at the place. He was like, nah, man, I'm gonna need that money, blah blah blah. And I'm like, no, I'm done here. No car, no money. So I went back doing my thing. He went and sat in his car for a while, and then he comes at me real aggressive, like, yo, man, I'm gonna need that money, bro. And I'm like, whoa, where's the camera? Where's Ashton? Am I being punked? No. I went back to where I was doing. He went and sat in his car, smoked with his wife or whatever, girlfriend, anyways, whatever. Then he comes back and he goes, all right, get in the car. Come on, we're going. And I'm like, I don't feel comfortable sitting in the car or going anywhere with you anymore. Get the car, then you get your money. And then he's like, all right, that's the way it's going to be? Watch. I'll be back. Blah, blah. He's like, I'm going to bring my bro. I'm going to bring this. I'm going to bring that. He's going to go bring his reinforcements and he's going to get his money is what he said. So I left to my house right now to go get my pepper spray and my taser. So got my taser and my pepper spray. I might just use both at the same time. So just in case it goes down. And more bullets. Look at that hollow point. Scary stuff. Put them all in there. And here's my bullet collection so far. This girl's first name is Russell. Let's go ahead and add it to the collection. There is a Federal Signal MS-100 siren speaker. All right, let's look in here. There is the Bodyguard. This looks like a Setina push bar. Very nice. Oh, the brackets are there, I think. Sheriff's line. So this is a sheriff's car. Okay. We got the specialist here.
What's happening?
What's up, man? Haven't seen you in a while.
Seen you in a while, man. Busy, man.
Yeah.
Work life, you know what I mean?
So what do you think about this partitioner?
I don't know. It looks like it. I've never seen that before.
It's different, huh? Even this thing is back.
Yeah,
it says Pro Guard on there, but that's a
Pro Guard?
Satina company, isn't it? Or something like that?
I've never seen that type of seat before.
Yeah.
What are these, like plugs? So if someone their pants and it drains out.
It drains out in there.
Or they gotta take a, you know? Oh, you know? Shit,
Oh, that's funny. That is funny. I guarantee you that there's drugs in there for sure.
Possible gun.
Yeah.
Drugs. Bust down.
For sure. Bust down.
It's got more foot space though, that's for sure.
Yeah.
You know what department this is from yet?
Legend. No. Mystery department.
I'm about to find out.
Yeah. Mystery department for sure. That's like rules for probable cause. Please be a biscuit.
Biscuit, a body, or a gun, who knows?
Wait, what is this? Look at this.
It's a hook.
You seen that before?
Do mine.
Ooh.
What we got here?
I don't
Goodyear
know.
tire, is that the police tire?
Let me see.
You know, these things like $200, 200 something bucks a piece.
Look at that.
Oh, those are hideaways.
Hideaways, yeah.
Basic dome like that.
There's gotta be something valuable in here. Don't be a target, don't be a victim. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. So there was 6 pairs of Wheelin' Hideaway lights. These are actually pretty new. This one's from 2018. Bro, this is Hillary Duff.
Hillary Duff.
Hillary Duff. Looks like Hillary Duff.
Colorado, really do.
Yeah. And here we have her out of the package. Oh, my memory card is full. Damn it. Okay, so I switched over. I switched over to my iPhone. But check this out. A cookie and a meth pipe. A cookie and a meth pipe, huh? This is probably a weed cookie. Hey, you want a weed cookie? Junkyard boy, you want a weed cookie?
Oh, fuck yeah.
I found it though.
Oh, what?
Yeah, I found it. It was in the back of the, hidden in the police car. Good luck. I told you that I found it. Well, it's up to you if you want to eat it or not.
Yeah, I don't know.
Think about it. Is it worth it?
Nah, it ain't worth it. I'm good.
Wait, you already ate half of it.
No, I did not eat half of it.
It's not worth it.
Yeah, it could be a meth cookie, you know? You don't know. This was right next to it.
I don't, fuck no. I'm not even touching that. That thing's got meth all over it.
Yeah.
Meth resin.
For
All
sure.
you tweakers come out and smoke.
Yeah. Is that puke? That's just gross. This cage is coming out. Okay, let's take a look now. Yeah, I got rid of most of the police equipment. Now I'm gonna completely civilianize the car. Make it look nice and shiny. So Junkyard Boy is gonna sand this whole thing and then I'm gonna paint it. By next weekend's episode, you'll see the results. I'm gonna go for black.
This is not an exercise. This is District 76 Police.
I wish I would have got that on film.
You big dummy.